hair. It's just coming out. More hair. Look at all this hair that's coming out. I'm losing so much hair. Postpartum shedding ain't no hoe. What's up? How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? How you is? What's been going on? What's been going on with me? Oh, that's what you asked? Girl, a whole lot of hair loss is what's been going on. Here is the proof. Look at this. I gotta get a thumbnail, hold on. Okay, I think we're good. But this is just gonna be like a little chit chat braid with me. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing to my hair while I'm dealing with this whole postpartum shedding situation, okay? Just how I've been keeping my hair. I really haven't been doing much to it at all. I just keep it in 2 braids. So I'm just gonna brush it real quick. We're gonna see how much hair we're gonna get for today. I did brush my hair this morning and some of that is in this pile. This is actually like 2-3 brushing combing sessions. So this is honestly not that bad because my previous postpartum shedding with my boys, girl, that was like a nightmare. Like it's still a nightmare. This is not even really all my hair because, you know, shower hair, hair that I didn't keep to show y'all, whatever. But my previous postpartum shedding was a lot worse, and I think that's because I was natural. You know, the more curly your hair is, the more hard it is to detangle. I don't know, maybe that's the fact that I don't know, but I just feel like my postpartum shedding was really bad then, so that's why I'm not really tripping too much because I just been through worse. I'm trying not to be devastated. I'm trying not to be sad and stuff. I understand postpartum shedding, that it's just hair that you have to lose. It gotta come out because that was all that hair that you kept during your pregnancy. Is just the whole science behind it. I just try to keep telling myself that it's not, I'm not going bald or nothing, even though some women really do experience like hair loss. Like some people edges fall out, some people really do get bald spots, like some people entire hair really does come out. But I'm, you know, thankful that I'm not dealing with that. It's just shedding. It's just a shed hair that has to come out. Our hair sheds 100 times per day, okay? I didn't have that going on for a whole 9 months, so it's time to come on out. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm using my wet and dry brush, which is really good for detangling. My hair has been so super flaky. Like, y'all, my scalp has been really, really itchy, really, really flaky. So next time I shampoo, I'm gonna use my look at that hair just coming out. I'm gonna use my tea tree shampoo for my scalp. That's just a little bit I got from that side. You can hardly see it, but yeah, girl. Postpartum shedding ain't no hoe. Out here shedding like a dog. Here goes more hair. Shedding. She's shedding. It's all on my shirt. Just hair everywhere. Hair and flakes everywhere. Hair. It's just coming out, y'all. It's just coming out. And it's so much worse when I shampoo my hair. Like I really low-key am dreading washing it because every time I wash it, it's just so bad. Like the shedding is just, that's when I feel like I'm about to be devastated because it just be coming out like in clumps. Like every time I just, it just like clumps and glumps when I wash it. But we gonna get through this. We gonna get through it. I like to try to comb it every day just to make sure it's detangled and just to, you know, go ahead and get that hair out. Since it's shedding anyway, you want to go ahead and brush it out, get it together, give your scalp some stimulation and stuff. I feel like brushing your hair from root to tip really helps stimulate like hair growth. First of all, you stimulating your blood, and then you taking all those natural oils from your scalp and just bringing them down your whole hair strand. I just love it. And I love how brushing my hair feels. I can sit here and just brush my hair like for hours because it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. More hair. Yo, I'm gonna put all the hair that I'm losing from this session right here so we can see in the end. Let me get my little pieces back from over here so we can see at the end of this brush session how much hair is coming out. I also like to try to moisturize it Honestly, I haven't been doing a good job. I ain't gonna even sit here and hold y'all up, but I'm gonna try to start doing a good job and making sure I moisturize my hair. I've been loving this stuff, y'all. Aussie Mega Moist Curls Leave-In Conditioner, whatever. It's a leave-in detangling milk with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. And then my fave is this argan oil right here. I love this stuff. I use it for my silk presses. I use it just for everything. It's just a really nice, lightweight, but very moisturizing type of oil. So I really like that. And I'm just gonna go in with this stuff first. Just a little bit, because I don't want my hair to be like wet. And this is like a wet product. So really gonna focus in on my ends. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. I love Aussie Mega Moist. Really gonna get on my edges too, because my hair has been so dry. Like I said, I really haven't been taking good care of it, to be completely honest. I've been throwing it in my braids and just like, that's it. And I low-key feel like I'm gonna definitely update y'all with this whole shedding thing, seeing like if I lost any hair. Because it is a difference between like losing your hair and it, you know, just shedding. Because like I said, the whole shedding thing, you still got your hair. But losing hair is just like bald spots or breaking off, or, you know, resulting in it being shorter. And I'm using my argan oil to like seal everything. But oh, look at that shine. I'll definitely be able to tell if I lost any hair once I straighten it again. Because right now, I mean, I can see my hair is straight. I can see it. But I feel like once it's straightened, like with a flat iron, I can really see what's going on with my hair. And honestly, I feel like I am suffering some hair loss, like in the back. I don't know, I just feel like it broke off some, or I don't know, girl. I don't know if that's from it being dry or it's from the shedding. I have no idea, but we'll see once I straighten my hair. I don't know when I'm gonna straighten my hair, but put a little more oil back there, cause baby, oh, it needs some oil. You know what really needs some oil is my scalp. Like, my scalp is suffering. And I want to find my pick. Here we go. I just discovered that this is my friend, okay? You could be relaxed and still use picks, because girl, this feels so good. Just, it just gets your scalp like together. Combing through. I combed my hair with this pick this morning, and it was everything, because my hair was itching so bad. And it also really gets through, like, my new growth is coming in. I think my last relaxer was, what, a month ago? And you know, that new growth is coming in, girl. And this pick just like gets through it. Like, it feels so good. I'm trying to make sure I comb it good. Look at all this hair that's coming out. Oh my God. I feel like when I used the pick, more came out. And it's not even like tangled or nothing. That's just the hair that has to come out. Like, crazy. Postpartum shedding is crazy. Let's talk about that real quick. Because first of all, pregnancy, giving birth is a whole thing in itself. Like, this hair is just coming, girl. It's not letting up. Like, you think it's over. Like, girl, I already done combed my hair. How much more hair can come out? And it just keep on coming. It's like never ending. How do I still got hair on my head after all this hair I done combed out? Oh my God. I'm gonna show you at the end how much we losing. But yeah, it's like you already gotta deal with pregnancy and childbirth, which was the most, it was definitely the most beautiful experience of my life, having a natural home water birth. Like, it was something I would never regret, something I always think about, and I just feel so empowered through my birth. And I need to sit down and do my little my birth story, because I still haven't shared it. And you know, I did vlog it or whatever, but I still didn't share, you know, parts that weren't seen or how I was feeling, especially the afterbirth, when I feel like, you know, I almost died. So I still want to get into that. And y'all still haven't met my baby officially on this channel. Y'all know I was doing my baby bump updates or whatever here, and I just stopped. Because I had my baby, what, 5 weeks? My last bump day was like 34 weeks. 34, 5, 6, 7. Wait, was it 34 weeks? don't know, whenever I had my last bump date, but I ended up having her at 37 weeks. So they kind of just stopped. The bump date stopped, and then she was just here. And I never formally introduced her to y'all on this channel. But if y'all follow the family channel, then y'all have definitely seen the last 3 months of her life. But anyway, so childbirth, pregnancy is already something crazy, something, you know, it's amazing crazy, but it's already something big that we have to go through as women. And then just the postpartum stuff, like, just come crashing down on you. Some people don't go through like the whole postpartum depression, baby blues, hair loss. You know, consider yourself to be very lucky, because I done dealt with all of them, like all of them. This postpartum period hasn't been really bad as far as my mood, and I honestly think that's because I got my placenta encapsulated. I haven't been taking them regularly, but I really feel like that helped me, like for real. Helped my mood and my milk supply, everything. But this postpartum period hasn't been really bad. Like, you see how the ends of my hair, I feel like it broke off in the middle. I can tell. I'm so scared to straighten my hair, y'all. Anyway, let me get back on track. This period hasn't been really that bad for me, thankfully. But it's just everything that we just have to go through, like the shedding and the hormones and the nursing and the girl body trying to get back together. It's just a lot we deal with as women, as mothers. Like, it is really no joke. Shout out to all the mamas out there, because girl, oh my god, y'all, this stuff smells so good. I should have did me a high frequency treatment. I'm gonna start doing those again too. High frequency treatments really helped me out as far as growing my hair. It really stimulated my scalp. Oh, this feels so good, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Combing my hair, brushing my hair is just everything. This is why I don't know, like I say I want to be locked. I really do want to be locked so bad, like at one point in my life. Not right now in my life. I'm not ready for no locks right now, because I like doing different stuff to my hair. I like it being straight. I like it being out. You know, I'm enjoying my loose hair life. But you know, I always say one day I do want to lock my hair. I want to go on a journey, because I just really do. I love and admire locks. But the way I like to comb through my hair, I'm like, I don't know. It just feels so good being able to comb. Like, it just feels so good to me. I love when my kids play in my hair. Like, I just love it. Look at this, y'all. I'm losing so much hair. It's crazy. So yeah, I be thinking about that. Like, how am I gonna ever lock my hair if I like combing through it so much? My hair is growing so fast. Like, even from when my sister just gave me a cut, it's like really growing quick. Yeah, I can kind of tell my hair is, it's a little broke off back there. Oh, and I also wanted to share that a friend of mine, she was telling me on Instagram, because I posted a picture of my postpartum shedding, and she told me that, you know, she dealt with the same thing. Her hair was falling out in clumps. She was going bald and stuff. And she said the reason why our hair, we go through that is because our progesterone, is that what? Yeah, our progesterone levels dropped so drastically after we give birth, and everything is just affected. You know, it does have to do with our hair that we didn't lose and all that stuff too, but definitely our hormones play a big part of, you know, postpartum shedding and all that stuff too. So she was telling me like progesterone pills really helped her and things like that. So that might be something I can give to somebody else and, you know, pass that information on, because I'm like, that makes a lot of sense. You know what I'm saying? Why our hair be falling out like this? Like, that's just crazy. Well, yeah, like I said, luckily I haven't had to deal with like bald spots. I haven't dealt with that any of my pregnancies, but just, you know, I'm thankful that I haven't had to deal with nothing to that extreme, because I mean, I know I always say this too, like, it's just hair, and we all know, like, it's just hair, it'll grow back. But I feel like any woman, I gotta redo this one at the end just to get it braided down somewhere, but I just realistically feel like every woman you gonna feel some type of way about your hair falling out. Like, even if you, like, you know what, I'm just gonna cut it off, you still gonna feel some type of way dealing with the loss of your hair, because it's a loss. Like, it's a loss, you know? Anything that you lose is you gonna feel some type of way. Even if you start on a new journey and, you know, you still gonna feel some type of way about what you lost. It's still sad. It's still okay to cry about it. It's still, you know, okay to be in your feelings. And especially being postpartum, already dealing with so many emotions that you just had a baby, you know, especially like being a first time mom. I remember that was really the hardest time for me, because you kind of feel like you don't know what you're doing. Like, you know what you're doing, but you don't know what you're doing, because this is the first time you just had a whole new human being in your life, just had a baby, and it's just like a lot. It's a lot. So I just wanted to make this video too, just to tell y'all, just to let y'all know that y'all not alone, and that I am a mama who has been through it all. This is my third baby. This is my third time going through the motions, the postpartum stuff. And I just want to let you know it's going to be okay. It is. Just allow your body, allow your emotions, allow yourself to just go through it, feel it. If you need to talk to somebody, make sure you talk. Don't hold it in, because just know it's another woman, it's another mother out there feeling the exact same thing you are feeling. Like, you are not crazy. You're not crazy for crying about your hair. If you're losing your hair, you're not crazy. And I promise you that it's somebody who fully understands you. I fully understand you. So yeah, that's what I really just wanted to let y'all know and talk about and show y'all the real deal of postpartum life. This is just, yeah, this everything that just came out from this session. Like I said, honestly, my last postpartum shedding, this would have been nothing. Like, I'm actually kind of grateful for this from one session. But this is my postpartum shedding this go round. I'm gonna combine that with my pile. I'm about to throw this pile away. I just wanted to show y'all, you know, make a video and show y'all what I've been dealing with this whole postpartum life. But, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and toss this. It's time to let it go. Oh, it didn't make it in the trash can. But, you know, get in there. Look, you ain't trying to move on, but I'm trying to move on in life. So you need to. So it's just time to let it go. Let the hair shed. It's dead hair. It wanna go. Let it go. That's my motto for life. If you wanna exit my life, talking to my hair like, yep, if you want to exit my life, you can go, because I don't need nothing negative holding me back. I just don't at this point. If you want to go, you can go, and I'm gonna loose you. I'm gonna brush you out like I just did, real good braids, real nice and moisturizing, juicy, and I'm gonna let you go. That's how I'm trying to deal with my hair loss, my postpartum shedding this time around. Just trying to be funny, because I done been through it before. I know it gets better. I know it's not the end of the world. Like, it's just something I've been through, so I can kind of cope with it better. So I'm just trying to like laugh about it and, you know, move on, keep it going. I'm still on my hair growth journey. I am so serious about getting to waist length. I am serious. Like, this is just a piece of my journey to waist length hair. Things, you know, I gotta go through to get there. But I'm gonna put on a bonnet just so everything can stay protected. And sometimes, well, most of the time I also sleep with a satin silk pillowcase, so I'll probably just do that too. And then in the morning, I want to show y'all how my hair comes out, because honestly I get a really nice braid out from these two braids. Like, it is so cute. It just be nice and wavy. Y'all will see, because I'm gonna come in and show y'all in the morning after I take my braids out how it looks. But most of the time I just wear it just like this. Bone Thug. Like, I try to make sure I keep these little ends moisturized with my oil. That's it. That's how. So that is it. Thank y'all for watching. Thanks for listening to me talk, because I feel like I talked a lot. But thank y'all for listening. If you need to vent about anything, or especially if you're going through postpartum stuff, comment down below so we can talk and chat it out. And yeah, we'll catch you on my next video. Hopefully I'll be looking cute.